Woo! Working hard this afternoon. I'm tired. Working hard watching this guy. Who's up really high off the ground.
You will not believe what I got my hands on. I picked it up today and I'm beside myself. We got our windows. Boom. 2 windows. Got 18 sheets of drywall. It's only taken 6 months to get 2 windows made. We ordered them at the beginning of February. March, April, May, June, July, August, 6 months. Now I know that we are in a Cold War with everyone, seemingly. Not gonna get political. Want to, not gonna do it. It should not take 6 months to have 2 windows made. I'm really worried about how long it's gonna take to get the rest of the windows in my house. Just because I'm ordering them as I go. So, I mean, if I gotta wait a half a year to get a window made, this remodel is gonna take a long time. Longer than it's already taken. So, we'll see. A little windy here now. Wind, she is blowing. I'm going to start loading all this drywall. I got 18 sheets to get off here, so I'm gonna put it in the garage like I normally do, and start hanging it as I can. Windows. Today is window day. Good news, it's not 150 degrees. Oh, that's really not any bad news. I got a lot of work to do. I got to redo the wood down here. You can see there's been a lot of water intrusion over the years. So that's got to get redone. And finish a little insulation. Finish some insulation here. I got to do something here. I'm going to put a board across here to help support this window. And I don't know. I'm not really sure what I'm going to do with it yet, but I'll figure something out. Windows.
looking good.
Where does it look centered?
Can I let go?
Yeah.
Okay. It looks pretty good like that. Centered wise.
Okay.
Maybe, I mean, looks pretty good. Maybe just a smidge that way.
Okay.
Like, stop, right there. Yeah.
Okay, come hold it. So yesterday I had an issue. Couple issues. One, my battery died, and for some reason it didn't want to charge. I don't know. I don't know if it was a cord I was using or what, but I could not get it to charge up. I had to charge it overnight to get it full. It wouldn't charge. So I didn't get to record the rest of this window. Problem two, I'm gonna have to take the window out and redo it. So I got it in, but for whatever reason, the trim is not gonna look right out there. So I'm gonna have to build it out, and I don't know. It's just something that I didn't catch before I got the window installed. It didn't look like it was going to be a problem, but it is. So I don't know. I'm just gonna pull that window out and redo it. So I got started on this window this morning, and I'm gonna do it and make sure that it is to my liking before I pull that one out and redo it. I plan to get 2 windows done yesterday and be started on drywall, and in 2 days I don't even know if I'm gonna get both windows done. That's the way it goes. And the other thing, if you've bought any kind of building materials lately, man, somebody's making money, and it ain't me. So things are, it's getting expensive out there. We're gonna finish putting this one in. Aw, look how pretty it looks out there.
Woo! Working hard this afternoon. I'm tired. Working hard watching this guy. Who's up really high off the ground. That's why he does this stuff. Because I'm scared of heights.
Remember 71 and a quarter.
71
71 and a quarter.
and a quarter.
And 1 3/4.
71.
Around 1 3/4.
It's nice out today though. Sunny, 75.
Gosh.
You alright? Don't do that.
What was it? 71 and a quarter?
And then one and a quarter.
1 3/4.
1 and 3.
Gosh, you're gonna have me all jacked up.
Dang it. Okay.
No wonder I gotta redo the other window.
I had nothing to do with that. See ya.
Get a hold of me. Just in case anybody thought I was lying.
Nobody else. Don't paint me in a bad light.
So I got a window done. I got to redo the other window. It didn't turn out right, and I've got to take it out. I didn't get it done this weekend. I've just fought these things the entire time. These two windows did not go like the others have for whatever reason. But that one's installed. It looks fairly decent, I think. Turned out all right. This one's got to be redone. Traffic everywhere as soon as I try to film something. Yeah, I got to redo it. I got to take it all out and redo it. So I don't know. I may video that, I may not. I'm kind of over it, frankly. I'm ready to be done. I wanted to be done with both windows today or this weekend and get started on drywall, because I'm just ready to be started on drywall. I've got the drywall, but I'm not going to start doing it until I get the window done, which I plan on doing in the evenings this week after work. So pray for me. We'll get it done. Thanks for watching.